Okay guys, so George and I went and bought this Ego lawnmower. It's a battery operated lawnmower with a lithium battery. Let's see, pop it out like this. What does it say? 56 volts lithium. I was looking for a 80 volt. They didn't have it, and I needed to cut my grass, so I read the reviews and I opted for this one. Okay, so we got gopher problems. Pomegranates are growing, but I just cut the grass and I need to, work on it, obviously, because gophers. All right, so I cut everything except the berm there, and I'm gonna cut the berm. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to operate, and then, sorry about the movement. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to operate, and then the noise level or lack thereof, and then you decide. It was a good purchase. I think this was $560 with tax and all that good stuff. I got a little discount because I have a Lowe's Pro card, because I am a master gardener and I do purchase things from Lowe's for master gardening purposes for my other business, Life Strategies Consulting, which includes sustainable living and lifestyles, which is dealing with lawns, gardens, and farms. Anyways, my little plug. So you push this button to start. Let's see if I can do it at one time. You push the button to start, and then I probably can't do it. Probably can't. Let's see if Angie can be unique in her. See, the light is on now. Wait, watch this. Light is on. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna figure it out. Ha ha ha. Then you pull the little green lever here, and this, you can push it normally with the green lever, or you can let it self-propel. Now watch this. So I'm holding my phone with the right hand, and I'm gonna self-propel with the left. Watch. Look, I'm not even doing anything. Okay? So I'm gonna guide it over the gopher holes, and I'm gonna guide it over here to the berm. It has cut very well thus far. So I'll take my hand off the propel. I'm gonna turn it, using my body a little bit, which is not okay, but whatever. Because I want to show you guys, this was a good purchase. So look at that, and it stopped. Why? Because it went over the darn gopher hole. Let me start again. Okay. Push it over the gopher hole. Then I hold the little thingy here, and then I'm going to hit the self-propel. And the reason why I'm doing this too is because I didn't see any women doing any reviews of any of these electric lawnmowers. So if you want to notice, we're in Arizona. That's South Mountain right behind me. I can walk there. And that's the yard so far. Of course, I gotta cut bushes and whatnot. But here you go. Push. And there you go. And all right. I know it's kind of not the best. Maybe I should do another video, but I'm not. I just wanted you guys to see that this was a good purchase. I'm a breast cancer survivor. I'm 4'11", between 120 and 135 pounds. I'm not going to tell you which one. I work a lot and I'm often tired, but I need my yard cut. We have this 1/3 acre home lot, and then we have over here, that's the old blue truck. We have this 1/3 acre that I have neglected because I've been working trying to build this home care business. Okay, so that goes back pretty far, and back there is grapes and honeysuckles and such. But my chickens. So anyway, it's not all prepped and pretty, but I did want you guys to see that this Ego is a good purchase. Easy to start. It came 95. No, it came like 99% assembled. All I had to do was put that together and put it on the back, and then plug the battery up, which the battery came already plugged up. Not plugged, it already came charged, but to get the best ongoing, you need to have it 100% charged to start. So I let it do that. It took only 40 minutes. It really didn't take that long, but I let it go 40 minutes. And a full charge battery should cut 1 hour. Now, if I knew what I was doing, I would have finished this, the back of the house. Well, this is a mess. And back there in an hour. But I didn't know what I was doing when I started. So this was a good purchase. And I got it at Lowe's. I used my Pro card, which gave me 5% off. Plus I got, I think, another 100 off because it was on sale. So I think it was like, I want to say $466 with tax and everything all total. It was a good purchase. Go get you one. I'm not tired. I'm not sweated much, but it's under 100 degrees because I'm at the afternoon, late afternoon in Phoenix. All right, the Ego. Go get you one.